Okay, Phil is now setting up our Canon. Did I say Canon? Phil is now setting up our Coleman 10-person Insta-tent, and I'm going to time him. And here we go. And it's now been 30 seconds. Looking good. Oops, it's now been a minute though. First time ever, brand new tent. This is our shakedown trip for our first year of retirement camping. We're spending 3 days in beautiful Rocky Mountain National Park. Wow, this is going to be so cool. A minute and 45 seconds so far. Two minutes.
It's up.
No, it's not. Oh. Oops, this might be a two-person endeavor.
So, what time is it?
Well, that's a good question.
Alright.
Now what?
I need your help now. Turn it off.
Alright, I have to turn this off and go help him.